how to update your password in UKVI account. So you can do this to the official website, of course. Go ahead to your preferred browser, enter the website, go of UK. Of course, you shouldn't do this in third-party websites. But anyways, you can go ahead and enter in the search bar to update your details in your UKVI account, or directly how to update your passport. So you could just type in change or update your password. You'll have these options. So update your UKVI account details, which should include the password section, but that will probably take a while to find since there are a lot of details in your account. But you'll have this option, update your password. So you'll have a few options over here: renew or replace your adult passport. And if you want, you'll also have the option to change your name or personal details on your passport. You take a look at more results over here, but for example, you choose this option, which is to change your name or personal details on your passport. So you'll see how it works as well. You'll see when you do not need a passport and how long it will take. But the one you're going to need is going to be in the bottom. As you can see, titles and small changes to forenames, gender changes, and other name changes. So we're just going to go ahead to whatever option you want. Let's say other name changes. Just press on that one and you will see what you're gonna need and how you will be able to do it. So let's say you want to change name. You will have to do it with one of the following documents: either a deed poll, a statutory declaration, or an affidavit. And you can send it with both proof of any previous name changes you've made and evidence that you're using your new name. Anyways, you also have the renew or replace your passport section from before, where we pretty much showed you the first option, which is this. You'll have an overview, how long it takes, and pretty much everything else. You are going to post it through your letterbox, same as the other one, but that's pretty much the section on how you do this or how you are able to do this. There are options that you can do directly online, like renewing. You'll need a digital photo for this, and you can take a look at the options that are available as well. Pretty much depends on what you want to update on your passport. But anyways, hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.